We're looking at column addition with 3-digit numbers and no regrouping. So let's get straight into the first question. Right, 342 plus 102. So you can see here that we've got our 300, our 40 and our 2. And then underneath here we have 100. We've got no tens in this second addend and 2 units. So as with 2-digit column addition, we're going to start right off with the smallest place value column, which is the units. So we've got 2 units, add 2 units, which gives us 4. So I'll move that up there. And 4 in the units column. Now moving on to the tens column, we have 4 tens here and no tens in the second number. So 4 add 0 is 4. And finally for our hundreds, we have 1, 2, 3 hundreds, or 3, and added to a 100 underneath, 3 plus 1 is 4. So our total is 444. And you can see that here. If I move that to there, we have 444. Moving on to question number 2. Now with this question we have 526, and you can see it there with the Dean's blocks as well, added to 250. Again, we're going to start with the units column. So here, we've got 6 add 0. There's no units in the second number, so 6 plus 0 is 6. Now when we come to the tens, we've got 2 tens plus 5 tens. If we move this up, that's going to give us 7 tens. Put this over here just to make this a little bit neater. And there we go, we've got our 7 tens. Just need to fill it into the calculation. And we've got 5 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. So here's our 5 and our 2. 5 and 2 makes 7. So we have 7 hundreds in the hundreds column, or 7 in the hundreds column, giving us our total of 776. And you can see here with 700 and 7 tens 70, and our 6 units still at the end. Right, moving on to question 3, we have 472. So we have 400s, 70 and 2 units, and that's added to 205. So again, we start with the units column, and we have 2 add 5, gives us 7 units. In the tens column, we have 7 tens here. Added to 0 tens, 7 add 0 is 7. And in the hundreds column, we have 4 hundreds plus 2 hundreds, and that gives us 6 hundreds. And our total is 677. And there it is, 600, 7 tens 70, and 7 units. And question number 4. So we have 613, so 110 and 3 units, added to 222. Starting with the units again, 3 plus 2 is 5. We can add this together. And you notice that we're not going over into the tens, which is why we don't need regrouping, because this answer here is below 10. So 3 plus 2 is 5. There's nothing to carry over, so we just look at the tens column. We have 110 plus 2 tens gives us 3 tens. And then finally in the hundreds column, we have 6 hundreds plus 2 hundreds gives us 8 hundreds, with our final answer being 835. Right, now we have a few questions for you to try. Give these ones a go and we'll go through the answers. So, question number 1. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 2 plus 1 is 3. This one's going to be an 8, and a 9, and a 4. 498. 2 plus 6 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So we have 798. And 6 plus 1 is 7. 0 plus 4 is 4. And 5 plus 2 is 7, giving us a total of 747. And for an extra challenge, can you create your own 3-digit column addition with the answer as 523, but you're not allowed to use regrouping. So exactly the same as we've done for the other questions. No regrouping, answer 523. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want more column addition, then check out our column addition with regrouping. And for an extra challenge, have a look at the missing number column addition videos we have. And see you in the next one.